Okay guys, so we just got to some trails. It's negative 16 degrees outside. The game plan today, I'm gonna try to find my drone. I've never flown my drone in any temperatures that go below 0, so this is gonna be very interesting and pretty cool, so let's try it out. Guys, we got our flight time. Flight time didn't shorten much, but you can just see how the cold is as soon as we brought the drone back inside. It has a bunch of condensation on it, like the whole gimbal. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's all like frozen up. So I think we're gonna let this guy thaw out for a little bit because it's negative 16 outside still. So, but I'm really impressed on how the drone actually performed in the weather because it didn't seem like I was losing a lot of flight time. It was very efficient. That being said, that was with my batteries being preheated. I feel like if your batteries were at negative 16, they definitely couldn't perform at their best. But I'm very impressed on how well it performed. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'll catch you in the next one.